Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn 4th class 2nd lesson numbers up to 5 digits. 4th class 2nd lesson numbers up to 5 digits. In 4th class we will learn numbers up to 4 digits. What are those? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In this class we are going to learn 5-digit number. Now all of you observe here. See here this cube. Here this cube indicates thousands place. This cube. Why? Because in this cube we have 1000 bits. This cube indicates thousands. Already we learned in 3rd class, 4th class also. Here see this square indicates 100 bits. These are 1000. Cube indicates 1000 bits. This square indicates hundreds place bits. And this strings are tens place. Individual bits indicates ones place. Already we learned that. Now all of you open your PEP activity 2.1. You can see here how many ones make tens. How many ones make tens? How many ones are tens? Yes, 10 ones are 10. How many tens make a 100? In 100 how many tens are there? You can say 10 tens are 100. Yes. Next, how many hundreds make a 1000? How many hundreds? 10 hundreds make a 1000. Each, see here, you can observe the cube. How many cubes are there here? Each cube in figure 1 made up of dash beads, 1000 beads. Now only we learn, in 4th class also we learn, each cube indicates 1000 beads. Now how many beads are there in the figure 1? For that we have to count how many cubes are there. Count all of you. I think there are 9 cubes. 1 cube indicates 1000. 9 cubes are there. That's why you can say in figure 1 there are 9000 beads. Now see here, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Think once all of you. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. If we add 1 for that number, what number we will get? See here, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. You can observe here, we got a 5-digit number. If you add 1 for greatest 4-digit number, we got a 5-digit number. In this 5-digit number, now what is this? How to read this 5-digit number? See here, right place wise, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. After 10,000, in 10,000's place we have 1. Now how to read this number? 10,000. While we are writing the 5-digit number, we have to keep ones period after comma. What is the ones period, teacher? You can ask like that. Ones period means, I will explain table that ones, tens, hundreds, after we have to keep comma. See here, how to write the place values. See, first ones place, ones, tens place, hundreds place, thousands and 10,000. These are the 5 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. See here, ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousand place 0. Here is 1. Now how to read this number? 10,000. Now what I told, once period after you have to keep comma. What is meant by once period? See here, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Till here we have to call ones period. What we have to call? Ones period. Ones place numbers, tens place and hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. Those are called ones period. 1000 and 10,000 we have to call thousands period. Okay, did you understand? Okay, while we are writing the 5-digit numbers, we have to keep comma after the ones period. Now I am going to write 5 digits number. Now we are going to learn how to read the 5-digit number and how to write the number name for 5-digit number, how to write the expanded form we are going to learn now. See here. Here I am writing a number 27524. Now how many digits are there in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how to read the number? For that, write the number name, place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. What I told, ones period before we have to keep comma. Yes, keep comma. Now how to read this number? These are the thousands, no? This is the thousands period. That's why I have to read 27,524. Now how to write the number name? Now I am writing the number name. How to write? How we are reading? Like that only we have to write the number name. How we are reading? 27,000. Yes, write that only. 27,000. Next, how many hundreds are there? 5. 500. 100 after we have to keep comma. 100 after we have to write and 27,524. 24. Okay, did you understand how to write the number name? How we are writing, how we are reading, like that only we have to write the number name. See here, next one, 30353. Now how to read the number? Write place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Keep comma ones period before. See, ones period means ones, tens, hundreds. This is called ones period. Ones period before we have to keep comma. Now how to read this number? In thousands period what numbers are there? 3030. Now we have to read 30,353. 30,300. 100 after we should keep and we have to write and 53. Okay, did you understand how to write the number names for 5-digit number? Okay, now we are going to learn expanded form. Expanded form. I am writing expanded form for same numbers only. All of you observe carefully. Now how to read this number? 27,524. For this number, I am going to write expanded form. Write place values. How to write the expanded form? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. First we have to take 10,000. Now, what is the 10,000's place number? 2. For 10,000, we have 4 zeros. Remember once, for already we learned in ones place we don't have 0. Tens place we have only 1 0. In hundreds place we have 2 zeros. For thousands place 3 zeros. For 10,000's place we have to write 4 zeros. Okay, 2 is at 10,000's place. That's why 2 after we have to write 4 zeros. Next, thousands place number is 7. 7 is at thousands place. 1000 means how many zeros we have to write? 3. Yes, 3 zeros, 7,000 place. 100, 5. 100 means 2 zeros. Tens place 2. 10 means 1 0. Hundreds place is 4. Sorry, ones place is 4. Now 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. Like that we have to write the expanded form. Next number is 30,353. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay, 10,000's place number is 3. 10,000 means how many zeros we should write? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus thousands place number is 0. If you wrote how many zeros also, we will get 0 only, same value. That's why you have to leave that and go to hundreds place. Hundreds place number is 3. Hundreds place, for hundreds place, how many zeros are there? 2. Next, tens place is 5. How many zeros will be? 1 0. Ones place we don't have zeros, that's why I have to write only ones place number. Now what is the expanded form now? 30,000 plus 0 plus 300 plus 50 plus 3. Like that we have to write the expanded form. Did you get now number name and expanded form? If you learn this, you can complete in your studio second lesson 2.2 activity, 2.3 activity and 2.4 activity also. Okay, all of you observe that you can do those activities by number names and expanded form. Now we are going to learn face values, place values and places. Already you learn in second class, third class, fourth place values, face values and place values also. Again we are going to learn, listen carefully. Now what is this number? 53,274. What is the number? How to read? Where we should keep comma? See here, 3 digits before we have to keep comma. See, 53,274. For this, we have to find out place, face value and place value. See, he highlighted the number 7. For 7, we have to find out the place, face value, place value. Okay, as usual, write the place values. We know that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now, where it's at? Where is the 7? It's at in tens place. If I ask you where is your place, you will say second row, second row, third seat. You will say like that only. Like that only. Where it's at? It's at tens place. That's why I have to write tens. Face value. Face value. By seeing the 7, what number we can find out? 7. From second class onwards, maybe I am saying same example for you. What? While you are seeing your face in the mirror, you can see your face only. You can't find out any hero or heroine face. Yes? Like that only. By seeing the 7, we can find out 7 face only. Face value means as it is that number we have to write. Now place value. Place value means we have to multiply the place and face value. Place, what is the place? 10 into 7. 10 sevens are 70. Okay, did you understand? Okay, I will teach one more sum. 27,302. He highlighted the 0. Now where is the 0? It is at one's place value. Master you should write the place values. Where is the 0? At tens. Okay, what is the place value of 0? Tens. Now face value, by seeing the 0 we can see 0 only now. Then 0. Now place value is 10 into 0, 0. Anything into 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now by this face value and place value, you can complete in your companion 2A activity. Okay, did you understand? Now we are going to learn new topic. What is the new topic, teacher? You can ask like that. This topic you did not learn in third class. Okay, see here, what is that? For example, he given the number, I think you learn in additions and subtractions, but you did not learn here. 27,354. What he asked you? Round off the nearest tens. Round off the nearest tens. Round off the nearest tens. Teacher, why we have to round off the nearest tens? What is the use to find out the nearest tens? Maybe you can ask. For example, you went to a shop. Your mother gave for you 500 rupees to buy a shoe, to buy a pair of shoe. You went to shop, there you bought a shoe, the shoe cost is 499 rupees. What is the cost of the shoe? 499 rupees. Okay, you came back to home. If your mother asks what is the cost of the shoe, Nana, what you will say? Will you say 499? You will say 500. Yes, that is the approximate value. Okay, your father bought a cake or anything. Maybe the cost of the cake maybe 937 rupees, like that. Okay, but he will say for you 1000 rupees, Nana. Is he lying? No. The cost, exact cost is 937 only. But why he will say 1000 means he find the nearest. Why? Because to calculate easy, all will say to like that. They will say round offs. They will say the estimated value. We can say round off or estimated value. If they ask estimated value or round off also, you have to do like this only. See, now what we are finding? We are finding the nearest tens. The nearest tens. For that, we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay, nearest tens he told, no, that's why you have to highlight the tens. 10 and ones. Why? Because tens, he told tens, no, that's why you have to highlight from tens place onwards. Now, what is the number? 54. What is that number? 54. Where it will be? It will be in tens. It will be situated. Now, write the tens. Why? Because here we are finding the tens. That's why you have to write the tens. What are the tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the tens. Teacher, why you wrote tens? Maybe you can ask. Why? Because he is asking nearest tens. That's why I wrote all the tens. Now, if you observe the 54, where it will be? It will comes middle of between 50 and 60. Where it will come? 54. It will come middle of 50 and 60. Now, this is the round off. We can take 50 or 60, any number. Then you will get another doubt. Teacher, you round off for 50 and 60. From these two numbers, which number we have to take? For that, we have to observe the before place number. Tens before what is the place? What is the place? Ones. Ones place number we have to observe. Ones place number. If you find out before place 5 or more than 5, you can take from this numbers big number. You can take big number. If you find out less than 5, you have to take small number. From these two numbers, small number you have to take. Did you understand? While we are finding the nearest tens, we have to circle from tens place. Then you have to write the tens numbers. Where it is, we have to find out. From these two numbers, which number we have to write. For that, if you observe the ones place number is 4. 4 is less than 5. That's why from these two numbers, we have to take small number. Now, 60 we have to write. Remaining numbers as usual we have to write. Don't forget that. Remaining numbers we have to write as usual. We have to change from tens place only. Now, what is the nearest tens for 27,354 equal to 27,360? Did you understand this? Okay, I will teach one more sum. Listen carefully. See, 32,675. What is the number? 32,675. Write place values as usual, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now, what we are finding here? Nearest tens. Nearest tens. That's why I will highlight for tens place number. What are those? 75. In tens, where is the 75? It will be between of 70 and 80. Now, in this 70 and 80, which number we have to take? For that, we have to observe the ones place number. If ones place number is 5 or more than 5, we have to take big number. If ones place number is less than 5, we have to take small number. Now, if you observe the ones place number, that is 5. If you find out in ones place 5, you have to take big number. From these two numbers, we have to take big number. For that, we have to take 80. Now, we have to write 80 and remaining numbers as usual you have to write. Now, what is the nearest tens for 32,675? 32,680. Did you understand? Okay, now we are finding the round of the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds. See how it is, like tens only, but we have to find out in hundreds. I am taking the another number, 27,374. See here, same number I will take, 27,354. For this number, we have to find the nearest hundred. Nearest hundred. We are finding the nearest hundreds now. That's why we have to write first place values, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000 and then 10,000. Now we have to highlight the from hundreds period. Sorry, ones period from hundreds to ones. Now where it will be 354. Now write the hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. 1000 means 1000. Where it will be 354? It will be middle of 300 and 400. Now same problem. From these two numbers, which number we have to take? Already we learned hundreds place before number is tens place. Now we have to observe the tens place number. To find out the nearest tens, we have to observe the ones place number. To find out the nearest hundreds, we have to observe the tens place number. In tens place number, if you find out more than 5 or 5, you have to take big number. Less than 5 means you have to take small number. Now tens place number is 5. 5, if you find out 5, which number we have to take? From these two numbers, we have to take big number. Now what is the round off for 27,354? 27,000. Till 1000 we have to write as usual. Now from hundreds place only we have to change. Nearest 100 is 400. Now what is the number? 27,400. Now I will teach next number also. 32,675. Nearest hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, highlight the hundreds place numbers. What is the number? 675. Where it will be? It will be middle of 600 and 700. Which number we have to take? While you are finding the nearest hundreds, we have to observe the tens place number. Tens place number is more than 5. If you find out more than 5, you have to take from these numbers big number. Yes. Here which is the big number? 700. Thousands place we have to write as usual. From hundreds place onwards we have to change. Now what is the nearest hundred for 32,675? 32,700. Did you understand? Now we are going to find the nearest thousands. Round off the nearest thousands. Thousands now. Nearest thousands. Yeah, as usual, but we are changing here thousands place only. See here, same number I am taking here. 27,354. Now thousands now. Write the place values. Take from 1000 number onwards. Now what is the number? 7,354. Now write the thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Now 7,354. 7,354. Where it will come? It will come between of 7,000 and 8,000. Same doubt, which numbers we have to take? Now we are finding the nearest thousands. No? That's why we have to observe now hundreds place number. For nearest tens we have to observe ones place number. For nearest hundreds, we have to observe tens place number. For nearest thousands, we have to observe the hundreds place number. What is the hundreds place number? 3. 3 is less than 5. That's why we have to take small number. 10,000s place as usual we have to write. We have to change from thousands. Now, what is the nearest thousand for 27,354? 27,000. Did you understand? Okay, I will teach one more sum. 32,675. Nearest thousand. Okay. Now circle for thousands place number. See here. From thousands place number. Now what is this number? 2,675. Where it will be? It will be middle of 2,000 and 3,000. Which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the hundreds place number. Hundreds place number is 6. 6 is more than 5. That's why I have to take big number only. Now what is the nearest thousand for 32,675? 33,000. Okay, did you understand? Is there any doubt in this? Okay, now we are going to learn round of nearest 10,000. Round of the nearest thousands, 10,000s. Round of the nearest 10,000s. Okay. Now 34,375. For this number we have to find out the nearest 10,000. Okay. Now total number we have to take. Why? Because 10,000 no? Yes, from the now we have to write the 10,000s number. Thousands. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, lakh. For lakh how many zeros? 5 zeros. See here. Now we are finding the nearest 10,000s. For that we have to observe where is the 34,375. Where it will be? It will come between of 30 and 40,000. Now from these two numbers which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the thousands place number. To find out the nearest tens we have to observe the ones place. For hundreds we have to observe the tens place. For thousands we have to observe the hundreds place. For 10,000s we have to observe the thousands place. Thousands place number is 4. 4 is less than 5. That's why you have to take small number. What is the nearest 10,000 for 34,000 is 30,000. Okay, I will teach one more sum. 57,632. We have to find out the nearest 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. We have to take the total number. Now what is the number? 57,632. Where it will be? It will come middle of 50 and 60,000. Which number we have to take from these two numbers? For that we have to observe the thousands place number. Thousands place number is 7. 7 is more than 5. That's why we have to take from these two numbers big number. What is the big number? 60,000. Now 60,000 is the nearest 10,000 for 57,632. Like that we have to find out the nearest values. See here, if you learn these nearest values, you can complete your activity in Studio 2.7. Sometimes he will ask you find out the estimated value, but he won't give any place value. Then how you will find out? If he did not mention any place value, find out any estimated value, find out any nearest. If he did not give any place value, you have to find out the estimated value for highest place. For 5 digits, what is the highest place? 10,000. For 4 digits, 1,000. Okay. If he did not mention any place value, you have to find out the estimated value for highest place value. Okay, now we are going to learn which is the big number, which is the small number. Already you know that. Okay, greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, greater than, less than, equal to. See here, 25,674 and 39,352. Now which is the big number? You can say, why? Because we are 4th class now, we can say by seeing those which is the big number. If you don't know, you have to compare the highest place values. By seeing, if you don't know the highest number, you have to compare the highest place values. What is the highest place here? 10,000. 10,000 place you have to find out. Here which is the big number? 3 is the big number. That way open mouth you have to show to big number. This is called less than. Now see here, 73,384 and 2,485. Here which is the big number? Here in this number we have 5 digits, in this number we have only 4 digits. 5 digit number only always bigger than 4 digit number. That's why open mouth we have to show to this side. This side open mouth is called greater than. We know already both sides are equal means we have to write the symbol equal. Okay, already I think you know this. Okay, if you learn this you can complete your activity 2.10 in studio. Now we are going to learn ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. We are learning this ascending order and descending order from 1st class. I think you know ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Okay, now I am going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. 72,654, 83,485, 13,274, 36,374. These numbers I am going to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. If you know, you can write small number to big number. If you don't know which is the small number, we have to write the place values and highlight the circle the highest place value. Okay, see, if you observe the 10,000s place of the numbers 7, 8, 1, 3. Here which is the small number? 1. Cut this number and write down. Why? Because now we are writing the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. 1 is the small number. That's why you have to write 13,274. Next smallest number is 3. That's why cut the total number and write 36,374. Now what is the next small number? 7. 72,654. Next one is the 83,485. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means very easy. Big to small. You can write reverse. Otherwise, see here, we circled the highest place value 10,000s. What are those numbers? 7, 8, 1, 3. Now we are going to write descending order. That's why you have to take big number. In these numbers, which is the big number? 8. That's why you have to cut the number and write the number 83,485. Next number, which is the biggest number? 7. Cut this number and write 72,654. Next one is 3. Cut this number and write 36,374. Remaining number is 13,274. Like this you have to do ascending order and descending order. Okay, if you know ascending order and descending order, you can do 2.11 activity, 2.12 activity also. After that, you have to complete 2.14 activity also, you can complete that. After that, question time also you can complete. See here, in question time, he is asking 10 more, 100 more, 1000 more, 10,000 more. See, I will end this with this topic. 34,110. For this number, we have to find out 10 more, 100 more, 1000 more, 10,000 more. Very easy, you can observe here. 10 more. More means we have to do addition. Means for this number we have to add 10. 100 more means for this number we have to add 100. 1000 more means we have to add for this number 1000. 10,000 more means we have to add for this number 10,000. No need to write in column method and doing nothing. You can do by seeing only how it is. See here, 10 more he is saying. 10 more means we have to add 10. If you add 10 for any number, it will change only tens place number. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Which number we have to change? Only tens place number. Remaining numbers as usual we have to write 34,100. Tens place number, 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. And ones place number as usual. Did you understand? If you add 10 for any number, we have to change only tens place number. For tens place number, we have to add 1. Okay, if you add 100 for any number, which place will change now? Hundreds place. For hundreds place number, we have to add 1. Remaining numbers as usual we can write. See here, 34,000. Hundreds place number is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 210. Did you understand how to add 100? Now, if you add 1000 for any number, we have to change the thousands place number only. See here, now how to add the 1000 for 34,000? 10,000's place as usual, now thousands place. 4 plus 1, 5. 35,110. Did you observe how we are writing? Now, 10,000 more. 10,000, no? Which place we have to add? For 10,000's place we have to add 1. See here, 3 plus 1, 4. 44,110. If you observe here, if we add 10 for any number, it will change tens place number. If you add 100 for any number, that number hundreds place will change. If you add 1000 for any number, that number thousands place will change. If you add 10,000 for any number, that number 1000 place only will change. Remaining numbers you have to write as usual. Now, see, you can see there 10 less, 10 less, 100 less, 1000 less, 10,000 less. Less means we have to subtract. Okay, take any number, 27,324. 10 less. If you subtract 10 from any number, that number's tens place only will change. What is the tens place number? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Remaining numbers as usual, right? 27,300. 2 minus 1, 1. 14. If you subtract 100 from any number, it will change hundreds place number. Now, 27,000, hundreds place 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 27,224. If you subtract 1000 from any number, the number's thousands place will change. Thousands place number is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Now 26,000. Remaining numbers as usual, 324. If you subtract 1000 from any number, the number's thousands place will change. What is the thousands place number? 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 17,324. Now, did you understand Okay, see here. I hope you all understood this topic. By these topics, you can complete your second lesson. Thank you.